have to show this to my mom. Hey, Mom, look what I'm doing. Look what I'm making. Hello, Harper's Bazaar. I'm Gisele Bündchen, and I'm here with Wendy Cacciatori, the amazing chef of Villa Emilia here in Miami, one of my favorite restaurants. So, Wendy, tell us what we're making.
Gisele, today, starting with the artichoke, arugula, and parmigiano reggiano, and the second plate, you make the real pasta, the real tagliatelle, bolognese tagliatelle,
Ooh, let's go.
with the tomato sauce, with peeled tomato sauce. Okay?
Andiamo.
You ready?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Okay.
It feels very overwhelming trying to cut this huge cheese. Is it difficult?
No.
Can I try?
A little bit, yes.
No,
Try,
let me
try.
see.
A
Let
little
me. I see if I trust you.
Try.
Okay. Let me see if my workout is paying off. My weight training. Oh gosh. I feel. Holy cow! 1 minute. Seriously, guys, this is like no
Really?
joke. Are you doing like exercise?
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh, good. You have to. Oh.
These are the pieces.
Okay. One of the things about
This
cooking.
is better, right?
For me.
This is Parmigiano Reggiano 20 mouth hold. Thank you.
Buonissimo. It's so fresh.
You shave?
So now I'm gonna shave it. How much should I do the whole thing?
You know this.
No, not the whole thing. Imagine. That would be a lot of cheese. That would be like a fondue. Just a
Another
bit more.
one.
Because, you know, extra cheese is good. Okay, perfect.
Now I peeled the artichoke.
Va bene.
When you peel it,
You make it black.
yes, you make it.
So I have to put this on.
You put
Okay.
the glue.
Così?
Perfetto. Okay. In 2 weeks, you're ready.
In 2 weeks,
2
I'm
weeks.
ready.
2 weeks.
Oh, man. This is yummy. So this
And-
goes to the compost.
Yes, you take this.
Oh, do you reuse this for
This-
something or no?
No, this no.
Only the heart?
Yes, and you peel it everything.
Okay, like this.
Yes.
Così.
Perfetto. This is perfect.
Okay.
Now you put in the water and ice
Okay.
and put half lemon.
Faccio questo con avocado.
The same, yes.
Sì, lo mismo. And then you leave the lemon in there, and then it's gonna be.
And that's it.
Let it be.
Yes.
Do I keep this?
Yes, it's better.
Okay. Better. Can we take it off?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Now, Gisele,
Yes.
go to cook the artichoke.
Okay, let's cook it.
Okay,
Perfect.
come.
Let's go.
Okay.
Yum. Yay.
You cut in the quarter.
So così,
Perfect. Bravissima.
così.
Yes. You put artichoke in this plate.
Yum.
You put arugula,
Perfetto.
Okay.
Arugula.
olive oil, and balsamic vinegar, because in Emilia Romagna balsamic vinegar it's sacro. Come is sacro in?
Sagrado. It's sacred.
A little bit salt. Okay. A little bit pepper. And you put artichoke. You put
And the little ones.
1, 2. Parmigiano Reggiano in top.
I can put more, right?
Yeah. Whatever you want.
Whatever. Oh my God.
I have more. Arugula, artichoke, and Parmigiano Reggiano.
Whoa. How many pounds is this? You grab there and I grab here.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Holy. How many pounds is this?
A lot.
You
Here in
cannot
top.
carry this on your
Here in
own,
top.
right?
90 pounds.
90
Yeah,
pounds?
90.
Whoa, that was the heaviest cheese I've ever held in my life, that's for sure.
Now, Gisele, make the fresh pasta, okay? Because the second plate is pasta with tomato sauce. The pasta is very, very simple. 4 eggs
Okay.
for 4 people. And 100-gram flour.
Okay.
You put eggs
Eggs.
in the middle,
Oh.
okay?
Break the egg. So tell me more about your nonna. So you learn how to cook with her, right?
Yes. The Nonna Beppa, every day, make pasta. Every day. For tagliatelle, for tortellini, for cappellacci.
It's funny you said that because isn't it amazing how we learn from the women in our lives? My mom used to make fresh lasagna at home. So she used to make the pasta. She used to have this wood machine and she used to make like the long pasta like this to go to with the lasagna.
Yes. Now you put a little bit salt.
How much salt?
1, 2, 3, and 4 because it's
Four.
portions.
So it's 4 of everything.
You press.
Yes. Now is the time to massage.
Okay, go. Yes.
It's like
you massage
wash-
the pasta.
It's like washing clothes
massage
too.
the
You have
pasta.
to.
And use this machine. Tagliatelle is the same the fettuccine, okay? In
Sì.
the world, it's fettuccine. In the North Italy, it's tagliatelle.
Okay.
But tagliatelle and fettuccine is the same pasta.
Once you do the workout for a while, when do you know?
Okay, Giselle.
Okay,
when
how do you know?
it's only one pieces, it's ready.
How long does it take normally?
10 minutes,
Let me try it.
6,
This is actually
7.
a good, depending on how strong you're doing it.
Yes.
I can't believe your nonna did all this all day. Was she very strong, your nonna?
Very, very strong.
Yeah.
You have the
Muscles.
Here.
Pasta
This,
muscles. I'm no
it's
joke.
incredible. I put a little bit flour.
Look at this machine. My mom was way bigger. Her machine was like this big wood thing.
Now you cut a little bit pieces here. Okay.
Okay. Like thinner than this or thicker?
Okay. No, for
Is
now
that
it's
okay?
okay.
Così? You do it fast because you're the master. Let's see the master at work here.
You put the pasta inside at number 2. You put in the second time number 4
Okay.
and at 6.
Okay.
You
and you want to
finish
do like 2 times each?
2 times each.
Okay,
each.
perfect.
Now cut the square. You put in this stand
Okay.
for the dry.
Okay.
Okay? And pasta dry. Yes.
Va benissimo così, Mida.
Perfetto.
This is good?
Okay, you put
Like that?
and put. Okay, but it's better you put a little bit long because when you cut,
You want it long?
yes, this for your kids
My
and this
first-
and this for you.
Okay, that's good.
Good.
Let's see this. Oh no,
Okay, it's very nice. Good, good, good.
that was good?
Le tagliatelle di Gisele.
Look at that, look at
Perfect.
that. Look at this long pasta. Okay, that?
You put-
Okay.
Cut. Okay.
Okay,
Good job, Gisele.
thanks.
Now I put attachment for tagliatelle.
Okay,
But if you want, I show you tagliatelle with the
knife.
and a little bit flour.
okay. I remember my mom doing that.
Yes.
She used to do that too, because when you switched it, you had to like put the flour so it didn't stick to the table. And now you go like this and you can see.
This is old style.
This is gonna be the baby tagliatelle.
Okay.
This is the first one, guys. You see?
You try
But then look what happened
with
later.
these pieces,
It's like
old
life,
style.
no? It's like
you
life.
go. Why?
Va bene così?
Roll it, but not press.
Not too tight.
Okay.
Just like a little roll. How thick do I want it? Like this?
Whatever you want. You like bigger. You like.
No, così va
skin.
bene, così
Okay.
va bene. I have to show this to my mom. Hey mom, look what I'm doing. Look what I'm making.
This is
All right.
old style Gisele. Now it's 2023 and
You
start.
can use the machine.
You got the machine.
Oh, look
Wow.
at this. Wow,
Much
look at
better,
that.
right?
That's easy. Well, it's
much
more,
easy, much
it's not
easy.
better, it's just different.
Yeah.
Because this is more perfect, but this is like
Rustic, right?
with the love,
Yeah.
with the hands.
The reason you cut the pasta for the square
So it's-
because it's much simple
To put it in.
to put it in. Yes.
Because then it's even.
This is one portion.
And this is another one.
This is another one.
4.
And this is another one.
So let's make the sauce. So should we move this somewhere? Can I put it here?
Yeah. Now, Gisele, you go for tomato sauce.
Okay.
Most important.
Tomatoes.
Tomato.
So
The best quality of tomato. My father, my mother, my grandma is use only this tomato. Carrot, celery, onion, fresh basil, salt, pepper, and olive oil.
our good old faithful olive oil. I'll peel the carrot.
Okay, perfect. Perfect.
Okay.
You cleaning?
Cut it in half.
Yeah, the half. Half. Now, I'm show you cut this and not your finger.
Okay.
You
yes.
work in this
Okay.
and the finger, you put the finger in this
Okay.
position. Why you put it?
Because you don't want to cut your fingers
because
off.
no cut your finger.
Okay. So you can talk to your kids, tell them to set the
Yes,
table. Go set the
I think
table while you're
exactly.
cutting the carrots. This is a bit scary, actually. And così?
Okay, perfect.
In 1 month, this is gonna be me, guys, in the future. Ah. But you have to put less carrots.
Yes.
Not so many. Okay, we got it. Now celery.
Yes.
Should we do all of them together so it's faster?
Wow.
No?
Professional.
I don't know professional. I'm just like, look. The good news is I haven't cut my fingers off. So I think I'm doing pretty good. What do you think? All right, now
Onion.
onion.
The
Okay, you
best.
can do that.
Okay.
You can do
I
the
got it,
onion.
Okay.
I cry.
Yes.
Wait, what's the secret not to cry when you cut onion? Because I cry all the time.
I show you.
Show me.
You take a coffee spoon.
Uh-huh.
Wait. No cry, because the acidity, the onion.
But I'm gonna cry because
Yes.
I'm next to
The
you.
acidity, the onion.
Okay.
You take the spoon, the coffee spoon.
Okay. I'm not gonna cry, right?
No.
Okay. So this is good.
Yes.
Good. Good trick.
Okay, Gisele, come in the kitchen and start with cook.
Okay.
Okay. Tomato sauce, oil,
Okay. Così va bene?
perfect. 1 spoon,
1 spoon.
and you put onion, celery, and carrot,
Okay.
and cook for 2 or 3 minutes.
That's pretty much done,
Yes.
right?
After this, you put the tomato. I need cook for 1 hour this.
Okay, this is gonna cook for 1 hour.
Yeah.
That's good to know. So cooking in low,
Low
fire.
fire.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
Yum. I've been waiting
Go.
for this moment. I'm not gonna lie. Let's go. That's my favorite part. It's so
The
good.
good flavor, right?
Grazie mille. Let's have some of this too. This balsamic is wow. I hope you guys enjoy it. Now I'm gonna go and have some of this yummy food. If you wanna learn some more delicious and nutritious recipes, you can get my cookbook called Nourish that's coming out in March. I'm gonna give you one
Wow.
too. Bye
Bye.
guys. I hope